Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you like to draw castles, or actually imagine if you owned a castle, that would be kind of cool actually. I always did as a kid. In the time that I was growing up, I visited many castles in Europe, and that actually was inspiring this illustration, or should I say cartoon castle. So if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.